Hello. Before starting this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Let us start with database. A database is an assemblage of related data that represents some feature of the real world. A database system is designed to be built and populated with data for a certain task. What is Database Management System, DBMS? DBMS is a software for storing and fetching users' data in view of suitable security action. It consists of a group of programs which manipulate the database. The DBMS accepts the request for data from an application and instructs the operating system to provide the specific data. Characteristics of Database Management System. 1. Provides security. 2. Removes redundancy. 3. Support of multiple views of the data sharing. 4. Provides multi-user transaction processing. 5. It follows the ACID concept. A equals atomicity, C equals consistency, I equals isolation, and D equals durability. Popular DBMS software 1 MySQL.2 Microsoft Access.3 Oracle.4 PostgreSQL.5 DBASE.6 FoxPro.7 SQLite I.8 BMDB2, etc. Application of DBMS 1 Banking.2 Universities.3 Telecommunication.4 Finance.5 Manufacturing.6 HR Management.7 Sales.8 Airlines. Thank you for watching.